Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you a truly inspiring story from the heart of Africa. Today, we're going on a journey to the Mount Kenya region, where a dedicated team of conservationists is working tirelessly to save a critically endangered species, the majestic bongo. Imagine a creature so elusive, it's been dubbed the ghost of the forest. The bongo, with its striking white stripes and spiraled horns, is a sight to behold. But despite its beauty, this antelope has been on the brink of extinction for decades. Habitat loss, disease outbreaks, and poaching have all taken their toll on the bongo population. However, thanks to the efforts of the Mount Kenya Wildlife Conservancy, there's hope on the horizon. The Conservancy has been working to restore the survival instincts of zoo-bred bongos, teaching them to feed without human assistance, escape from predators, and build a strong immunity against diseases in the wild. It's a painstaking process, but one that's already showing promising results. Last week, the Conservancy welcomed a new batch of 4 male bongos from the European Association of Zoos and Aquaria, which will interbreed with the existing population to ensure a more diverse genetic pool. This is crucial for the long-term survival of the species, as inbreeding can lead to a weakened gene pool. As we walk through the Conservancy, we're surrounded by the sights and sounds of the African wilderness. The air is filled with the sweet scent of orange climber vines and the soft rustling of leaves as the bongos roam freely. It's a truly immersive experience, and one that's not only fascinating but also humbling. The story of the bongo is a testament to the power of conservation and the importance of preserving our natural world. As we continue to face the challenges of climate change, habitat destruction, and species extinction, it's heartening to see dedicated individuals and organizations working tirelessly to make a difference. As we explore the natural world on Nature Walk, we're reminded that even in the darkest of times, there's always hope for renewal and recovery. The bongo may be a critically endangered species, but with the help of conservationists and the support of local communities, it's possible to imagine a future where these magnificent creatures thrive once more. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the fascinating world of science and nature, I'd like to take you to the vast expanse of Mars, where NASA's Curiosity rover has been exploring the Martian terrain for over a decade. Recently, the rover encountered an unexpected challenge when it attempted to collect a sample from a rock formation. The incident occurred on April 29th, when the rover's drill bit got stuck with a slab of rock, dubbed Atacama, which was about 1.5 feet wide and weighed nearly 30 pounds. The team at NASA tried various methods to dislodge the rock, including vibrating the drill and tilting it, but initially, nothing seemed to work. As we can see from the images taken by Curiosity's cameras, the rock remained attached to the drill sleeve, suspended in mid-air. It was a peculiar sight, to say the least. However, after a few more attempts over the next couple of days, the team finally managed to get the rock loose by rotating and vibrating the drill and spinning the drill bit. This incident highlights the challenges that come with exploring other planets, and the ingenuity of the scientists and engineers who work tirelessly to overcome them. The Curiosity rover has taken dozens of samples from the Martian surface, providing valuable insights into the planet's composition and geology. Meanwhile, on our own planet, a team of researchers has been studying the Arctic seafloor, a region that is notoriously difficult to explore. By deploying a video camera and hydrophone 260 meters deep in an Arctic fjord, they were able to capture stunning footage of the seafloor environment and biodiversity. The images show a diverse array of organisms, including comb jellies, arrowworms, snailfish, and shrimp. The researchers also recorded the sounds of nearby narwhals, cracking and melting icebergs, and boat engine noises. This study provides a unique glimpse into the ecosystem of the Arctic seafloor, which is still largely unexplored. As we continue to explore our planet and beyond, we are reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the natural world. From the Martian terrain to the depths of the Arctic Ocean, there is still so much to discover and learn. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude our journey today, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the importance of respecting and understanding the natural world around us. A recent incident in Glacier National Park in Montana serves as a poignant reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. A 33-year-old hiker, Anthony Polio, tragically lost his life in a surprise encounter with a bear. This event marks the first bear-related fatality in the park in over 25 years. As we explore the great outdoors, it's essential to acknowledge the presence of wildlife and take necessary precautions to ensure our safety and theirs. Glacier National Park is home to nearly 1,000 bears, including grizzly and black bears, making it a unique and potentially hazardous environment for hikers. The park's higher density of grizzly bears than any other park in the continental United States underscores the need for vigilance and preparedness. The incident involving Mr. Polyev serves as a reminder to always be mindful of our surroundings, make noise while hiking, and stay informed about bear activity in the area. It's also crucial to carry bear spray and know how to use it properly. By taking these precautions, we can minimize the risk of encounters gone wrong and coexist with these magnificent creatures. As we consider this incident, it's also worth noting that fatal bear encounters are rare. Since the park's establishment in 1910, only 10 people have died in bear attacks, including Mr. Polyev's tragic incident. However, this rarity should not lead to complacency. Instead, it should encourage us to be more aware and respectful of the natural world. In recent years, there have been other bear-related incidents in national parks, including a bear attack at Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, which left 2 hikers injured. These events highlight the importance of staying informed about bear activity and taking necessary precautions when exploring areas with known bear populations. As we conclude today's nature walk, I'd like to leave you with a sense of reverence for the natural world and its inhabitants. Remember that we are guests in their territory, and it's our responsibility to respect and protect these incredible creatures and their habitats. By doing so, we can ensure a safer and more harmonious coexistence with nature. That's all for today's nature walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.